Hi guys, welcome to the session by Competition Crusade. And in this session, we are going to discuss about the video lessons that we are going to, create for the future CAT 2022 aspirants. So now I start this session with a very simple question, which says that I have so many mega links and PDFs. So why do I need you? Why do I need a new YouTube player? Okay, see, let me use my pen tab. The very first thing is that I am sincerely taking the CAT exam from 2017, and from 2017 scoring a 97 percentile. Okay, from 97 percentile, which I did not take seriously. I took it like a first time attempt, and then probably working my way through a lot of other things till CAT 2019. I just want to say one uh, aspect of me, which is I really enjoy taking this test, and so I have understood the test really well. And I also have these links and these PDFs, and I have realized that they are, see, initially we did not had any material, but right now you guys have so much material that if you can prepare from them, it would be great. But I don't think, and a lot of those material that you already have with yourself, I think a lot of that is redundant, a lot of that is just gimmick stuff. Like if you need a formula on a chicken McNugget theorem, or anything of that sort, why do you need such videos anyways? So you need me to, in a way, curate the content for you, and obviously I also have an access to those contents which I will definitely use. The mock tests, for instance, the past mock tests, okay, so 2017 onwards, whatever mock tests are there, so we have a collection of that, so we will be using those content. This is by far the most important content that you can probably look out for. The next thing is probably, the next thing which can probably help you is a peer group. Okay, now obviously I already have a peer group in the form of a Facebook community, Facebook group, Facebook pages, Telegram group. I already have a peer group of that sort. Now I always believe that the questions that pose some sort of a difficulty to you might be easy for somebody else. So I will give you my take on problems, someone else will give you their take. And the best thing about our courses, my course, is that it is completely free of cost. Okay, I'm not trying to sell you anything, I'm not trying to ask you to do anything. Obviously, I mean, I'll occasionally ask you to subscribe onto the channel and like the videos, obviously, because if I can get YouTube subscriptions, and probably I can monetize the YouTube and stuff, but that is a distant this thing. Currently I am not in a hurry. I'm not going to ask you for anything right now. I need to prove my mettle to the people. In that case, with that in my mind, I think I already have a figure of somewhere around 500 to 1000 videos encompassing all the sections of the DI, LR, all the sections of the QA, all the sections of the VARC. Okay, so this is it for this slide. Let's go to the next slide. What to expect. Now obviously there are so many things that that is in my mind that I really didn't wanted to put in a slide, but the very first thing that you can expect from me, can I change the color a little bit? Let me see. So the very first thing that you can expect from us is complete syllabus. Okay, free of cost. Now whatever that is, all the modules of quant, which is arithmetic, algebra, geometry, now you would see that none of the YouTube channels, and when I say none of the YouTube channels, I really mean none of the YouTube channels have been giving you complete. So there was one YouTube channel which started giving you some free content, but again they private, they did made the videos private, but that's fine. We already have learned from those videos, and so it's not really that difficult to curate those videos. But it is not just creating videos, it is also about creating a community wherein we can discuss a lot of problems. We can solve problems on a regular basis. And for that, a Competition Crusade YouTube channel, Facebook groups, we are always there for you. So you can always expect that, let's say we are in December at this time when I'm recording this. So Jan, Feb, March, April. Okay, so by the last week of April, you can expect your syllabus to get over. And obviously we will discuss how things are going to get placed. I have divided all the topics in modules. Okay, modules of quantitative abilities, modules of data interpretation, logical reasoning, modules of VARC. So we will come back to that in a while. And now the question is everything really free? Actually, the answer is yes and no. Yes, in a sense, because we are not asking for money, and no, because you will be spending your time. Okay, so yes, no money will be asked from you in whatever forms, because obviously we are trying to, I am trying to come out as somebody who first of all gives you some valuable content, and only then probably in the near future I'll think of selling you some content, maybe mock tests and stuff, but that will come only after I have proved my mettle. So for the time being, yes, it is free for the money, and no, it is not free. Your time will be consumed, so you'll be spending your time, and I'll make sure that the videos that you will be watching from now onwards, they have a certain level of quality. As you can see that I have been making a lot of investment in the form of you can say a writing tablet, in the form of a green screen setup, a VFX setup, in the form of so a lot of things are going to come along the way. So just hang in there, hang tight, and don't worry, everything will be covered. Okay, now the syllabus, simple thing. Syllabus is, these are obviously the 5 modules of quantitative ability. Some of you guys already know what are the modules of quantitative abilities, that are basically arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and then there is number system. Okay, and then the modern maths, modern maths, which basically has PNC, probability and stuff. So PNC and stuff, maybe a little bit of statistics, maybe a little bit of probability and all that stuff, but eventually this is the area which will make the this is what you are supposed to study. This is something that is going to make all the difference. Now let me erase a little bit of why not just erase everything. So there are 5 modules of quantitative abilities. Now what about DILR? Obviously DI and LR are 2 modules in itself. So data interpretation is a separate topic, logical reasoning is a separate topic. And the module of VARC, has 3 sections. So obviously the first one is RC, the second one is the verbal ability section, which has the parajumbles, the summary types, or the misfit sentence. Okay, so those things. And the third module is basically reading. Okay, so this is reading comprehension. This is just reading. This is just reading for fun. We'll read anything and everything. Now, how I have planned the course, I think this is the last slide. Yeah. So how I have planned the course, we are starting from December. Okay, starting from tomorrow onwards, the videos will start getting uploaded. So we're starting from December. We have Jan, Feb, March, exactly what I was doing a little earlier, April and May. Okay, so all these modules, so obviously there will be 4 weeks. Okay, there'll be 4 weeks. So see, an entire week which starts from Monday and ends in Sunday, we will have at least one QA plus VA session, or a DI plus let's say VA session, or a QA and DI session, something of this sort. Okay, this is going to be the breakdown of the classes that are going to be there. There will be recorded classes, quantitative abilities primarily will be recorded videos. DILR will come in the form of, you know, live classes. Okay, live classes, YouTube live sessions. And if YouTube live sessions sometimes, you know, become a little too difficult for me, so probably I'll record videos and I'll upload them. VARC, now I'm erasing some of these things. VARC, again, you can expect to have before you know, the RC part of it, before the RC part of it, for the VA section, before this RC, obviously we will do a lot of reading. And because, as you can see that this is a recorded video, so I will try to come live in front of you. Maybe I'll, you know, open one of my tabs and I'll you know, continue with a EON article, maybe a Psych article, maybe a New York Times, maybe a Bloomberg, maybe a Hindu article also. Okay, so I'll read one of the excerpts and I'll read those articles and I'll try to explain them. And slowly and steadily, when you will see that, okay, somebody is in front of me reading those articles, you will also develop those skills. So you'll also start reading, and eventually from the second week or third week, we will start solving RCs. Okay, so we already, as we were discussing, we already have a plethora of material with us in the form of those PDFs and stuff. So we will take those RCs only. We are not going to, you know, take, you know, superficial RCs. We are going to take great quality RCs and we are going to solve those RCs only. Okay. As far as the syllabus is concerned, the arithmetic, algebra and the geometries and all that thing, yes, all of them will be completed, but my method will be a little different. For example, if let's say Monday we are discussing, okay, I'm taking an example. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Obviously Sunday will be off. Nobody really wants to work on a Sunday. So Monday, let's say I start off with arithmetic. Okay, let me take arithmetic, and one of the chapters of arithmetic, let's say percentages. So all through the week we are discussing the concepts. Okay, we are discussing concepts. Okay, we are discussing concepts and solving problems. But on Friday or Saturday, I have thought of this, and I have, you know, realized that the major reason why students face problem is that the, you know, no synchronization between concept and application. Concept plus application. So what I have decided is this application bit of this process will be taken care by me. I'll take one of the previous year mock tests and I'll solve it over there. Now obviously the previous year mock will definitely have geometry questions, it will have permutation combination question, probability question. We'll solve those as well. Now you may be thinking, how is that even possible? You are saying that, you know, we are starting with percentages and you're saying then we will be solving the, you know, mock tests. How are they going to make sense? They will exactly make sense because then and there I am going to discuss the necessary theory that is required for that section, and probably then we will move to the next one. So definitely you will enjoy a lot, and I am totally sure that these videos which I am about to make, a lot of, you know, research has gone into, you know, how to, you know, make them perfect. And obviously, I mean, because you can see me off front, you can see the video that I look something like this. It is not necessary. You don't necessarily need to see me in front of you. However, I mean, the videos will come and I hope you guys will enjoy. So I just wanted to give you the synopsis for this thing, and I hope you enjoyed the session. If you did, the only thing that I ask you to do is just, you know, have patience. A lot of content is getting prepared and will be delivered to you in the meantime. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. I hope I have made myself clear. If there is any question, ask them in the comments. Everything will be discussed. So, you know, hang in there, stay tuned, and let us begin the crusade.